Hey guys, here's my recipe for my Paleo Banana Bread. First off, we'll add all of the dry ingredients into one large bowl and mix them together. Make sure you check out the description box for the full recipe. Now we'll add in our wet ingredients. You can also mix all of the wet ingredients together in a separate small bowl before adding it into the dry ingredients. Gently fold the wet and dry ingredients together. We want to do this until it's just combined. Now we can add in my favorite part, which is the chocolate chips. You can use dark chocolate chips, semi-sweet, or even white chocolate chips. The choice is yours. Now we can separate the batter into 2 greased loaf pans. This recipe will make enough for 2 banana bread loaves. One is perfect for keeping and the other is perfect for giving away to someone you love. Once you've separated the batter out, make sure to level the batter so that it's nice and flat on top, and this will help to prevent cracking that you might see on other banana breads. Bake it at 350 degrees for about 40 minutes, serve it warm or cool it and give it away to a friend. Make sure to like and subscribe for more healthy and delicious recipes, or click on the next video.